How to add extension on your Chrome browser. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to easily add any kind of extension on your Chrome browser. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's continue. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your browser, and from here on the top of your search bar, right besides it, you will see this little icon that is extensions. Click right here. If you already have some extension, it will show up right here. Now you just have to click on Manage Extensions. And from here, if you want to add new extensions, all you need to do is click on this Chrome Web Store, or if you don't see it, you can find it on the left side of your screen. Just click on Chrome Web Store. Once you open it up, your Chrome Web Store will open up right here. And if you want to add something on your Chrome Web Store, you can find it right here. Or if you have something specific on your mind, you can directly search it on the search bar right here. And if you want something that is categorized, like under lifestyle, you'll see art and design, entertainment, games, household, and many more. So on developers tools, if you click on it, you'll find all of these great extensions. So click on one of them, and from here you can simply click on add to Chrome and it will be added to your extension. Click on add extension and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one.